We are here with Ms. Nadezda. She's heading IEC School of Art and Fashion. Welcome and thanks for joining us.
Thank you, sir.
Fashion is a creative field and you started your career with working with some big names. Then why you decided to come into teaching?
Yes, fashion is a very creative field, and I started working with big names like Shantanu and Nikhil and Orient Craft. But after working for some while, I just realized that making clothes and selling them was not my sole purpose. I wanted to utilize my education and enhance the knowledge of the students as well. So I switched into this, and after working with the designers and working in the industry, having some resourceful experience, I just felt that imparting knowledge to the students will also be a good option. So I just went into that.
Good. Okay. So fashion is a creative field. So do you really think that creativity can be taught?
Yes, creativity is a skill which people are born with, but it has to be enhanced. Just like a plant, you have to make them grow. You have to take care of it so that you have to supply them the nourishment. Similarly, creativity is also like that. You have to enrich it. So for that, IEC School of Art and Fashion takes care of it so that your creative side is unlocked over here.
Okay. COVID situation changed many things. How it influenced your teaching?
COVID has taken a great impact on many of the industry as well, universities, colleges. But digitization has made it things very easy. Now students can even learn online, and this was the option which they never explored. So it has teached, and it is a good way. We should take it as a positive side of it.
So at this time of technology, how technology is influencing this fashion industry?
Digitization has made things very easy. Digitization is something through this, every individual has its own voice via YouTube, via Facebook, via other social networking sites, and everyone has their own followers. So it's very easy to reach to their customers, to their students, to their whether it's an entrepreneur or whether it's an educationist, developing, and it has good impact on the students as well.
So what fashion mantra you suggest to the young budding fashion entrepreneurs?
The fashion mantra for the young entrepreneurs would be this time is teaching us to go or work in smaller groups and smaller capsules, you can say, where let's focus on that the fashion is responsible fashion. Let's not add clutter to the already cluttered world. So become a responsible fashion designer, I would say.
What are the skills according to you are essential for a fashion designer, for a successful fashion designer?
For a successful fashion designer, there are many skills apart from designing, apart from illustration. He or she should be good with even communication, artistic skills are there. Then he should have an eye for detail, because this is very important. Sometimes designers are good with illustration, but they are not able to catch the minute errors in the garments. So that is very important.
Fashion designing is a creative field. It's a competitive field and growing, changing every day. So at this time, virtual fashion shows organized by Craft and Images in association with IEC, how you think would be beneficial for your students?
The future of fashion is definitely digital, and I would say virtual fashion shows are much easier for the students, or be it for the designers. It's more smoother than the actual runway. And I would like to add that recently FDCI Couture Week digital India had its first digital fashion show, virtual fashion show last month. So I guess that's a big platform for the students to showcase their collection. And similarly, IC also is going to have its first virtual fashion show in association with the NV magazine, Craft and Images. So I guess students are very excited to get into this platform.
Thank you for sharing your views. Definitely, it would be beneficial for all.
Thank you, sir.